Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. The title of this video was going to be a 60-second Christmas card, but then I thought I was setting myself up for a fail if I didn't make it in 60 seconds. But I know we've all been in that scenario where we've had a Christmas party and someone that we didn't know was going to be there, or we're popping out and we're going to bump into so-and-so that we never thought of, and all of a sudden we're a Christmas card short. And this is a really quick, really simple, easy Christmas card just to throw together and to post. So let me show you how to make it. What you're going to need is a piece of shimmery white cardstock. That is 10 centimeters by 14.3 centimeters. And a piece of coordinating card base that will just attach to it. Okay. Also what you need is a big sentiment stamp set. So I'm using Holly Jolly Wishes with this big sentiment Merry Christmas to You. And any sort of little novelty stamp set. And I'm using Sweet Little Stockings, and I'm just using this Christmas hat here. All you do is get your Stays On ink, get your 2 stamps, get your shimmery white cardstock and ink it up. This is the most simplest card ever. Okay, ink it up and stamp it down. Okay, and off. Get your little gimmicky image, stamp it up, stamp it down, lid on. We're then going to do some really quick watercolouring. So I have got Soft Succulent. I'm going to open that up and I've got the re-inker for it, and I'm just going to drop some ink into the palette at the top, just a couple of drops. I've then got my fat aqua marker, which is this one. This is my favourite for creating backgrounds. It's so simple and easy to go, and you can either squish on this to get the water in there, or if you want a lot of water for a coloured base, you can just use your spritzer. So I'm going to use my spritzer. I'm just going to pop a couple of sprays in there just to really get it going. Okay, ink up my watercolour inker straight over the page. Look at that. So quick, so easy. Okay, don't worry if it blobs, that's great. It adds to the watercolour effect. Just keep rubbing this into the paper. Okay, the drier your brush gets, it will start this sort of scratchy edges, and that is really what you want on the edge. Okay. You can go over in different bits to make them darker if you wanted to by adding more liquid in. Really up to you. As soon as you've finished that, you can leave it to dry, but as I've built this as a really quick and simple card to do, I'm going to just grab my heat tool and I'm going to run over it with that to dry it. You'll notice as it started drying, it started straightening again. That's great. That's the heat tool doing that, but it will, when you dry it naturally, also straighten up. But if you're drying naturally and it's straightened up and it hasn't, it's still a bit wobbly, you can always pop it under a book or something to straighten it, but it will be fine once you've put the glue on it and adhered it to your base. I don't think I've quite done a 60-second video, but if I wasn't talking or doing my introduction, how quick would that card have been? And how quick would it be just to make a batch load of these so that you didn't have to worry about missing anyone? I always find cards like this really handy when there's a craft fair I can just grab a few of these to fill the table up and they take seconds. They are the Brush Metallic adhesive back dots. And there you go, a really quick, really simple watercolour based Christmas card. This one's using Soft Succulent, and the 2 stamp sets I used were Holly Jolly Wishes and Sweet Little Stockings. Okay, thanks ever so much for joining me today. Hopefully you will make a use of this technique. Everything that I have used is available from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Bye! I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimmandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimmandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.